Hey third grade math, it is a marvelous Monday and our last week of school, so I'm wearing a sparkly orange on my shirt and an orange on my head to celebrate. And we're also going to celebrate today because it's our last day of perimeter and area. So let's just review how we find the perimeter of a shape, the area of a shape, and that missing side. Alright, so remember, perimeter is the distance around, area is as covering. So perimeter equals distance around, area covers our shape. In area you go length times width, and in perimeter you add. So perimeter is that distance around where you add, area equals the length times the width. So I'm going to give you a shape, we're going to find the area and the perimeter of both. Remember, you can always count the inside of an area if you have the boxes. But I'm going to be tricky and not give you the boxes. Okay, so we have our rectangle and we're going to label it as units. So we have 5, 5, 3, and 3. Remember, to get the area, you add up all the sides. So we're going to say, to get the perimeter, you add up all the sides. So perimeter equals 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. You could do your sideways caret. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 6. You get 16 units. Oh my, I need a bigger board. So the perimeter is 16 units. Now to get the area, you take one length and one width and you multiply them together. So area equals 5 times 3. So the area equals 15 square units. Finished. All right, let's do another one like that. Okay, I'm going to erase it, the whole board so I have more room to fit everything. So remember, perimeter, distance going around, we add, area covers, we multiply. Okay, so here we have another rectangle, everything's labeled. Let's find the area first by adding up all the sides. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. So 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. Sideways caret, 6 plus 6 is 12. Sideways caret, 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So we get 16 units for the perimeter. And the area, again, you multiply the length times the width. So 6 times 2 equals 12 square units. Make sure you label correctly today. 12 square units, because you have a review sheet to do. All right. Then suppose I give you the boxes. That's a little easier, so I'm just going to do one example. So if I give you the boxes, to get the area, you could just do the counting, or you could do length times width, whatever you like. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Area equals 9 square units, or you could have said 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we know 3 times 3 is 9. So you could have said 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, to find the perimeter, you have to count. Now, I think you should do your little like tick marks so you know where you're counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The perimeter is 12 units. So perimeter is 12 units. And that's it for that one. Those are easy. The one thing left we have to do is to find that missing side. So perimeter equals 20 units. Remember, you have to add up the 3 sides that you have and then subtract it from the perimeter. So 8 plus 2 plus 2. So these are 2 steppers. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then we need to do 20 minus 12. We get 8. So n equals 8 units. So I did 8 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. 20 minus 12 equals 8. N equals 8 units. So the missing side is n. Now remember, for these, you have to show all your work. Okay, let's do one more example, finding the missing side of, let's say, a triangle or a funnier shape. I have 4, 4, and n. I'm going to say the perimeter equals 10 units. So perimeter equals 10 units. So what do we have to do? Add first, then subtract. 2 steps. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 10 minus 8 equals 2. N equals 2 units. See? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then we have a perimeter of 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. N equals 2 units. All right, guys, I think you're all set with your perimeter and area review. You're experts at this by now. So have a good time doing your review sheet, and I'll see you when we meet. Bye, guys!